Hey, welcome to GiveMeApps, your app mall, the #1 independent app store. Today we're checking out Fitness Genie, a different kind of workout. This is by Fitness Genie for the Android platform. Guys, if you're looking for another workout app in your toolkit, this app might fit the bill. This is not your traditional workout app that'll give you a selection of different workouts that you can choose on any day, any time. Rather, it builds up challenge after challenge. Your job is to tackle those challenges on your own. There is the honor system at play here. You're going to be presented with a challenge depending on your body type, and from there, your job is to complete that challenge day after day after day. Now, because of the structure of this app, we're not going to be able to show you all of the workouts that are available within, but just know that there are 50 different levels. So that would mean that you would need to complete this over a series of 50 days. Obviously, this video is not going to be that long, but we're going to show you how to set the app up, and we're going to show you how to start off so you can take advantage of these challenges. Now, take a look at the startup screen over here. You can see that we have different body types here. You have the males on this side, females on that side, and all you need to do is enter your age. Take a look. We have this body type, slightly out of shape. This one looks more fit, and this one will be skinny. We have the endomorphs versus the ectomorphs. Same deal here on the female side. You have this body type, and that body type, and then you would simply tap on next. Now, we're using two devices to demonstrate this. I'm going to show you guys it on my phone, and don't laugh when you look at this. It says right here, next level unlocks in 23 hours, 3 minutes, 41 seconds. Now, don't laugh or don't get nervous or don't feel some type of way. Again, the objective is you need to complete the challenge at hand. Now, the first challenge we're going to show you on the tablet over here. I just threw my phone in the mix because we're using the app on two different devices just so you can see the progress here. What you're going to do is you're going to select the body type. Let's just use this one here as an example. Before I started working out, this was me, super skinny. I'm now the guy in the middle after working out for a number of years and being very consistent. But we're going to try this out just to see what happens. And you have to put your age in there, all right? So I'm going to lie about my age here just because I would imagine that the majority of people who are using this might be on the younger side. So let's go with like 28 or something like that. We're going to put that in there. And once the age is in there and your body type is selected, you then would tap on next. Guys, that's it. That's all you need to do to get started with the Fitness Genie app. All right, so once you do that, take a look here. You're going to be presented with your first workout. It says here, challenge, take a walk for 5 minutes. Can't get any simpler than that, right? Straight from listing, it says the app not only gives you physical fitness, but also mental fitness challenges. And again, the fact that you're only seeing this stuff day in and day out means that you are being challenged mentally because you have to not just do it, but you're going to wait another day. So these challenges give you the opportunity to really be reflective, and not only that, it gives you something to focus on one step at a time. You know, like me, when I go to the gym, I'll do chest on one day, biceps the next day, shoulders the next day, legs another day, cardio another day. Everyone has a different approach, and some people might even say that my approach is wrong. But with this app, you're focusing on just one challenge per day. All right? And as we showed you here, we have that going on. So we have to wait that amount of time to get in to the next challenge. Now, I did install and uninstall this app because, after all, this is a short overview to show you how to get around the app. And I took a screenshot of the next challenge so you can see what would happen here. I'm going to put this up on my phone. And this is a screenshot, but when you get to level 2, because this is level 1, take care. Don't eat anything at all for 6 hours. For some people, that would be quite the challenge. And by the way, once you have undertaken that challenge, after some time has passed, you get this message right here. You see it says mark has completed, and that would signal to the app that you're ready to go on to the next challenge. So if I left this up for quite some time, you would also see that mark has completed icon that would let you go on to the next challenge. So guys, we're approaching 5 minutes here. That's pretty much it for the app. Remember, there are 50 different levels. We would not say this is your go-to and only workout app to have, but this should be one of the apps in your workout toolkit. Again, this is not the type of app that gives you a bunch of exercises and then says, you need to do this, you need to do that. This is more of a mental and physical fitness challenge app. So you want to keep that in mind. Guys, very simple, easy to use. This is Fitness Genie, a different kind of workout. This is by Fitness Genie. It's in the health and fitness category. Do leave your comments below. Let us know what you think about it. Reach out to the developer. Let them know how they did with the app. Give them some suggestions on how they can improve it. Or if you have any other comments about the app, do leave them below, or do reach out to the developer. Once again, this is by Fitness Genie. It's called Fitness Genie, a different kind of workout. Pretty cool. The interface is very easy. There's no learning curve here. What you see is what you get. Overcome your own limitation by conquering one fitness, mental, or discipline challenge every day. If you complete the challenge, you can advance to the next level. That's straight from the listing. The app starts with the very small challenges and builds up your fitness by giving more difficulty with time, so that there will be very few people who are able to get past or go past level 50. So they're even more than that. Guys, once again, this is Fitness Genie. We've done enough talking here. We hope you enjoyed this app. GiveMeApps is the channel you're watching. GiveMeApps is the world's #1 independent app store. We're the only app store on the planet that gives you the full 100% of your download sales. If you're a developer, whether you're developing for the Android, iOS, or Windows Phone platforms, you can find any app for any platform in our store. Do check it out. Guys, we hope you enjoyed this as much as we did. Till next time.